Hello, good evening everyone. At the outset, I would like to convey my gratitude to the MAICAT team, especially to Dr. Vipul, Dr. Rahul, and my coordinator, Mr. Amit, who have been very instrumental in supporting me for curing the GBM, Glioblastoma. So keeping smile on my face, whatever you can see the smile, this is because of this Dr. Rahul and my cat team. So I have been associated with them for more than a month now. So when I got this diagnosed with GBM, glioblastoma, though it was a shock of my life, even not only for me, to entire family. We don't know what to do. So like the moment it is identified as cancer, all of us will get shock of our life, right? So then when I was browsing through some of the shots, I got to know that I came to know about this MAICAT anti-cancer protocol. So then I registered for a session with Dr. Vipul. So I got impressed, and then immediately I registered for the treatment protocol for 3 months. So within 1 month, you can see there is a smile in my face. Whatever radiotherapy, chemotherapy, whatever was done for me for more than 5 weeks. So because of that, my body has become very weak, and then face has become very dark. So then now after this MAICAT treatment, by regular interactions and support and guidance from Mr. Rahul, so my smiles has come back. I have become more energetic. So thanks for keep the good work on. Thanks for bringing smiles on thousands of faces like this who are suffering from this deadly disease. So this is a very good treatment protocol which I got to know. Within 1 month's time, you can really come back to normal life. So even I started working now from last 1 week. So my energy has come back. So I am just got into my regular routine jobs as usual. So where I have almost from January end, February, March, April, May, almost 4 months I have not gone to office. So now I started going.